Hi, and welcome to Resco Products. Today we're going to go over the new website. The new website was designed to improve customer experience and easeability. At the top of the website, you'll find our global search. In this search function, you can search anything you want, and you'll find all products and resources related to it. For example, if you're looking for information on Resco Bond, you can conduct a search. You'll find 48 results. If you scroll down, you're going to see a combination of results of products, industry, and applications and resources. If you'd like to filter down to just one specific grouping, you can change the filter there. Here you can find that we talk about Resco Bond products in 5 of our industries and applications. Under our resources, you'll find 20 articles that have been written mentioning Resco Bond. You'll even find videos of Resco Bond AA, 22S, Dry Brush Mix, and other versions from YouTube. The one advancement from our current site versus our previous site was the ability to find the right information. Previously, you weren't able to find if you were able to type in AA-22. Now, with the new site, you'll be able to find products more easily based off of your search. You can find different comparisons and information on more obscure topics through this search as well. So if you're looking for comparisons, you can find different comparisons from Resco products. You can see ones with Quick Light comparing the different Quick Light products in that product family, or you can see comparisons of insulating castables from one product to another. If you're looking for something more specific, you can go ahead and type in something like tar impregnation, and you will find different articles explaining what is tar impregnation and where that comes into play. The main aspect of the website is our products and data sheets. So you can use this in a couple ways. If you want to, you can come in here and pre-click any of these selections here. What it will do is it'll automatically apply those filters, which you'll find here on the left-hand side. Once again, this is designed to make it easier for you to find the specific product or product family or product type that you're looking for. So if you're looking for a ramming mix, you can type that in, and it's going to find everything that addresses ramming mix. Or you could type in RAM. Once again, you're going to find the products that it relates to. Additionally, you can go into product category and find plastics and RAMs, or you can go straight into product group and find RAMs where we have 21 products. You'll see the correlating numbers on the side to know how many products we have for each product category or group. As you click down through these filters and they are applied, as you see right here, it'll adjust all the filters, showing you how many products fall under plastics and RAMs for each industry, application, and so on. We've added a couple more filters. Here you'll find abrasion-resistant castables. You'll find maximum service temp Fahrenheit and Celsius. This would be applying to castables. Then you'll find binders, key ingredients, chemistry, tar impregnation. Eventually, Resco Products will be splitting our website into a US-UK. Currently, this one is our rescoproducts.com, so it is automatically filtered down to the US products. If you'd still like to see the UK products, simply come down to the locations filter and check the UK. Here you'll start to see all the UK products. One of the new features as well with the site is the ability to favorite a product. You'll see that by the star next to each product. When you do so, it's going to ask you to log in. When you log in, you're going to see your name up here, and you'll be able to go to My Account. Currently, you can see your favorited products in your My Accounts. So if you're working on a project and you are dealing with 2, 3, 4 products on a regular basis, add them to your favorites. And instead of having to search the site every single time you come back to it, you can just go to My Account and you'll be able to find your information here. Resco Products does not use your information for marketing purposes. We do not sell it to additional entities. And you have the ability here to delete your account from the system. You can still find general information about industries and applications through the Industry and Applications tab at the top of the website. So if you're looking for more information on an industry or application or potential products that we recommend in those applications, you can go ahead and use the navigation at the top. Here you'll find the information and related products. Here you'll see the details for the product. On this, you'll find a general description, specifications, and the recommended data sheets. Additionally, if you scroll down, you can see the industries and applications that this product is recommended for. You can go ahead and download any of the product data sheets, safety data sheets, installation, and dry out schedules. If the product is in your favorites and Resco Products updates one of the 4 documents, you will receive an email notification that the document has been updated and recommending that you take a look. If the product is in your favorites and Resco Products updates one of the 4 documents, you will receive an email notification that the document has been updated and recommending that you take a look. Under the Resources tab, we have articles, brochures, clay recipes, frequently asked questions, and videos. Videos are similar to how they were previously. You'll find them here. You can also find them on our YouTube channel. Also under Resources, you can find brochures. You will see them here. We also have Spanish brochures for specific industries and applications. Articles. We have roughly 80 articles addressing specific topics within the refractory industry. So go ahead, take a look, see what you can find. Additionally, if you do any kind of global search, you'll be able to find these articles if they're relevant to your search at the top. Our Contact Us page does have our corporate and UK customer service lines. Here you can submit any kind of questions that you might have, or you can go to Resco locations and you can get the information for the address and phone numbers for each. While on your mobile device, the phone number and the directions are live to help you get directions or call immediately from the link. While on our website, if at any point you realize that you need to get a quote, down in the bottom right, you'll find a floating Get a Quote button. If you click that, it'll take you to this form. Fill it out, select the relevant information, and a representative will be with you shortly.